All right, language explorers, let's look at this Friday's Friday idiom. So, a feast fit for a king. For a king. So, a feast, meaning food. Drink. Yeah. That is fit, appropriate, ideal, a good size. Ideal. Fit, ideal, a good match. Feast, like a dinner. Dinner or a large meal. Oh, meal. Yes. Here we are, like a feast. They are having a feast. Very good. So, delicious food, delicious and a lot of food is good quality. Really good food. A lot of good quality food. A very big meal. That is good enough for a king. So if this is food fit for a king, not very good food, not very good, getting better, yes, good. Standards, the king standards, a feast in excess of his standards, good enough for a king. This food is good enough for a king. How cool is that? I'll make a feast fit for a king. All of this is a feast fit for a king. All of this, yeah. What a feast fit for a king. Wow, there's all this food. What a feast fit for a king. How cool is that? We had a feast fit for a king. Yeah, that was a feast fit for a king. Yeah. Last night. Yeah. We thought it was very good. It was definitely a feast fit for a king. Yeah. How cool is that? How cool is that? So, the restaurant always prepares a feast fit for a king. They will make a feast fit for a king to celebrate your birthday. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you write a feast fit for a king in a sentence? And comment below. And like the video and subscribe. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian and Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. And Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.